It will help you find the interaction sound effects in Capcut Mobile free tutorial.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more.
1. Make sure your video clip is deselected like so, and then go to the bottom left hand screen and click audio. Underneath audio, scroll to the right until you see the option sound effects. Underneath sound effects, you want to scroll to the right and you see the second option, interaction, next to trending and prompt. See, Capcut Mobile has a list of free interaction sound effects. Click one, that it will preview the sound effect. And once you're happy or satisfied, click the plus. It's now added on the timeline. Want to add multiple, go back to sound effects, maybe you're on interaction, and the plus. You can see Capcut Mobile is adding multiple sound effects on the free timeline completely for free. Or should I say this is the before? This is the after. Completely for free.